Yo, it's Jason. Come to this week's podcast at YOUmedia. We're going to be talking about movies.
What's up, guys? Come to this week's film crew. We're going to be learning how to color correct D-log footage to get all the colors nice and crispy, bright. I'll see you there.
What's up? It's me. You know me, I think. Anyways, in this week's Stage Fright, we're going to be doing improv games, so come.
Hey guys, in this week's 3D design workshop, we're going to be making beads for jewelry, so you can give it to someone as a Christmas gift, birthday present, anything at all.
Hey, in this week's record label workshop, we're going to be going inside Logic Pro, learning about all the guitar amps and the stuff that you could do to tweak it to make it sound like.
Hello, mi amigos. For this week's Photo Pros, we're going to be taking photos in different cities, like portraits of a face in different cities. So come on by, check it out, you don't want to miss.